Hey guys, in this video, I wanted to show you this new folding cart that we just picked up at Canadian Tire. We use it for carrying our groceries, hauling gear to the park, and of course, transporting our beloved dog. This cart is by Seina and was on sale for $79.99 or roughly about $50 US. It usually is about $79 or $80, so there was a bit of a discount this time. There are many folding wagons out there, but this one is particularly small and compact. It only measures about 29 inches long by 18 inches wide and 18 inches tall when fully open. I was actually quite surprised at how small the box was that it came in. So we're just going to quickly unbox this thing here. It comes in this box and we're just going to take it out and remove the plastic. So here it is out of the box, and as you can see, it's pretty much fully assembled other than the wheels. It does have this really handy handle that you could carry it with which also keeps it folded up. So these are the wheels, and they are nicely labeled and keyed so that you can't plug them in the wrong location. These are the back wheels, which have these square pegs, and they only go in the back. You can't really plug a square peg into a round hole. Just push into it until it kind of clicks in. Now time for the front wheels, and they have round pegs and they go in the front here, and we're just gonna snap it in. Again, it does require a little bit of force, so just kind of hold on to one side and just push it in and you're done. After putting on all the four wheels, it is pretty much fully assembled and you just have to push that down there. So this is what it looks like. Compared to our other foldable wagons, it's actually quite small, and we like this size because it's not too big. As we swing around, you'll see that there's this handle here which is fully extendable. So for the moment of truth, we're going to put our doggy in here. We like to go on long walks, and when she gets tired, we just put her in this little wagon. Sometimes we'll put her in the wagon when we're pulling her in a crowded area because, we don't want her to get stepped on or anything. To fold it up, all you have to do is pull this little latch thing and pull out the handles and then Velcro them together. And it's actually very light. I think it's about like 12 pounds, so not very heavy at all. And here you can see it actually fits into my trunk now. So here's the shot of the wagon next to our bigger one here. We also got this from Canadian Tire, but it's too big for us. It doesn't even fit in my trunk, so we don't really use it that much. This cart claims to support up to 150 pounds, and that's way more than what we plan to ever carry. It's just the right size for our use, and it is great for transferring our pets and the supplies without taking up a lot of space. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you're looking for a really small foldable utility cart, then check this out, and I will see you in the next video.